Happy Wars with your Adventures came in.
Yeah, this is like the Bird God map. Pretty interesting. This is my first map I played today.
Oh my god, look at this place. Is this like Candyland?
No, this is like Minecraft.
Am I having a dream?
Everyone's dashing.
Yeah, only pros dash. Like,
Dash, break your left stick, right hook. I wonder where this takes you. Oh shit.
oh, it takes you. Uh-oh.
If you're in the middle, which
Uh-oh.
you're already there.
Oh, look at that cool guy.
Look at that spot, laggy as fuck. Wow.
No, this is all your fault, Temki. This is all your fault for not blocking all those rocks.
I did block it and I died.
No, one hit me. You were supposed to scrub, but get reported for lack of skill.
God, you guys lag. How was that look?
I was just saying I'm not dying from all our swings. That's what I'm saying.
Because they haven't patched the fucking...
Yeah, they did. That's what the forum people said. They must be truthful.
They're fucking trolling on the forum.
But you guys are in a private match, aren't you? Like in a...
No, we're on quick match.
Not in a private match, damn it. Blue metal.
Yo, get that scrub off the turret.
What the guy? What? What the fuck? Where does that go? Oh, there's a god shit down there. Oh,
Oh, yeah.
That
wasn't my fault, that
Why are you on Rainbow?
no, we're in the fucking new map.
Not you guys.
We're on Bird God, the scrubbiest map in the world because people use bomb rocks like scrubs.
This map is so easy to get knocked off. It's so great.
It is. It's so ridiculous. I don't think
This
this
guy,
match is good.
8-9.
I was the bird god till the two guys tried to kill me.
Ooh, double kill. See that feed?
Oh, like, kill people in MLG Pro.
Hey, I kinda like
Okay,
it.
well I'm gonna go look at Forest. I really want to look at Forest right now.
Same here. Thank you, KMI.
That's the new fucking 1v1.
No, they're not.
Yeah, Forest is a new 1v1 from Mystic Rins.
No, I don't think Forest is really good for 1v1.
Forest is the new 1v1 plays.
No, the new 1v1 plays is a bird god over there.
No, it's here. This is, yeah, Bird God's new 1v1.
1v1 near the bird god camp.
Oh, lagged out.
Oh.
Oh.
You lagged out.